The Zika virus and its potentially devastating consequences continues to spread. In Brazil, there have now been almost 1,200 confirmed cases of microcephaly, where babies are born with abnormally small heads. Doctors have now told the BBC that microcephaly is just the tip of the iceberg, one of several neurological conditions associated with Zika. As more is known about Zika, specialists say the risk to expectant mothers who've had the virus could be even greater than was first thought.
The expectation is that a woman who's had Zika has a 1% chance of having a baby with microcephaly. But if we consider a range of other possible neurological conditions, that figure rises to about 20%.
There's an urgency to understand more about Zika and develop a vaccine. Here they're using stem cell technology to create new cells that develop like human brains. They call them mini-brains, and they infect them with Zika. Perhaps some of the most interesting and alarming work that's being done here on these so-called mini-brains is proof of just how effective and destructive the Zika virus can be.
And what we see here is a cerebral cortex. And
neuroscientists were shocked by what they discovered, a huge reduction in growth of the cerebral cortex, the critical outer layer of the brain.
The effect of the Zika virus was very impressive. We were all astonished by the fast effect. We saw cell death in 3 days. We saw already a massive cell death. In 6 days, the neurospheres were completely gone.
Zika infection and cases of microcephaly are spreading in southern states, including Rio de Janeiro, particularly among poorer sectors of society. We've seen no anti-Zika campaigns around here, says Fabiani, illustrating that messages about Zika control aren't getting through to everyone. The baby's father abandoned the family when he discovered little Valentina was ill, leaving the mother to bring up 4 children in a country still learning how damaging this virus can be. Bora Davis, BBC News, Rio.